If you're over 75, I need you to hear this clearly, because what you've been told for years may be putting your independence at risk. You've been walking every day. You've been doing what doctors, friends, and TV experts said was enough. And yet, deep inside your body, something critical may be quietly weakening. A major study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine followed more than 1,700 older adults for years and uncovered a shocking warning sign. Seniors who could not stand on one leg for just 10 seconds were nearly twice as likely to suffer serious health decline and loss of independence within the next decade. Here's the part that stunned researchers. Most of those people walked every single day. They believed they were doing everything right. As an orthopedic surgeon who has spent over 30 years treating seniors after falls, hip fractures, and life-altering injuries, I can tell you this with absolute honesty. Walking is good, but walking alone is not enough anymore. Walking strengthens forward motion, but it barely touches the systems that keep you upright, steady, and able to recover when you trip, turn, or stand up quickly. Falls don't happen because people stop walking. They happen because balance, leg strength, and coordination silently fade. What walking ignores is your single leg stability. The ability to support your full body on one leg while stepping, turning, or climbing stairs. It ignores your deep hip stabilizers that keep your pelvis steady. It ignores your core muscles that protect your spine and keep you balanced when you reach or twist. And it ignores your ability to rise from a chair, bed, or toilet without help, one of the strongest predictors of long-term independence. The good news is this decline is not inevitable. In fact, you don't need a gym, weights, or fancy machines to protect yourself. You only need about 15 minutes a day and 5 simple movements that directly train what walking never does. The first is single leg standing near a counter or chair. Just lifting one foot slightly off the ground and holding even for a few seconds wakes up the balance system in your brain and strengthens the muscles that prevent falls. The goal is not perfection. It's consistency. Next is slow chair rises. Sit down and stand up without using your hands if possible. This movement rebuilds leg power, hip strength, and confidence. Every time you stand from a chair, you're training your body to stay independent. The third is gentle heel-to-toe walking, like walking on a straight line. This challenges coordination and balance in a way normal walking never does. It teaches your nervous system how to stay steady in narrow, unstable positions. Fourth is side leg lifts while holding onto a chair. These target the deep hip muscles that keep you from wobbling sideways, a major cause of falls that walking completely misses. And finally, controlled marching in place. Lifting one knee at a time improves balance, coordination, and hip strength, while training your body to stabilize on one leg repeatedly. These exercises are not about intensity. They are about retraining systems that quietly weaken with age if they're ignored. Do them slowly, do them safely, and do them daily. Walking will always be valuable for your heart and circulation. But if your goal is to stay upright, independent, and confident well into your 80s and beyond, walking must be paired with balance and strength training. The ability to stand on one leg, rise from a chair, and stabilize your body is not a bonus skill. It's a survival skill. Start today, because independence isn't lost all at once. It fades quietly unless you train to keep it.